And begin.
Hey dude, thanks for the ride.
Hey man, my pleasure.
Where you headed?
I am going to Funky Town.
Funky Town.
Yeah.
Alright, can you give me a ride there?
Absolutely, bro.
Cool. Would you give me the fucking
Dude,
money
what do
while
you
you're
want? What do you want? Just tell me what you want. Where do you want me to get? Look, dude, you got my hand. My money's in my back pocket.
Which pocket?
My right back pocket. I need my right hand to get to it.
Try not mugging from the
reach
tube.
with my left? Sure, reaching it with my left.
Nice, good. Position. Position. Position.
Oh shit. John gets a magazine.
Get your own, throw it, get your own.
Magazine come flying out.
Stan took it out.
Oh.
Keep going. Keep going. Stop fucking with the gun and make position, Rich. Make position.
Rich.
Make position, Rich. Weapons fixate. Don't really hit him. Don't really hit him. Don't really hit him. Don't really hit him with the gun. Keep pushing. Don't hit him. Don't hit him that hard, Rich. Keep going. Keep going. All right, guns out of play. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Good leg work, Stan. Nice. Don't hit him with the gun. Brave. Whoa, man. Relax.